How to change your Snapchat username. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Snapchat username. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Snapchat app. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top left-hand corner of the screen. On this next screen, tap on your current usernames, mine where it says Tips for Noobs on mine. And here you can edit your name. So this is how you appear on Snapchat. So pick a name your friends know you by. So I've put in Tips for Noobs, but if I wanted to change it, I could just put a 1 there or change it to my real name. And then next click on Save. And then my name has been updated. And that's all it takes to change your new username on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.